Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see PhD or MPhil admission notification. So here the university is Central University of Kashmir. So here comes the programs as well as intake capacity. I will tell you that MPhil or PhD. So it is an integrated course. So you can see that after completing the MPhil, you will go to PhD. So here the first department is management studies. There are 8 seats are there. You can see that. Tourism studies, so there are 2 seats are there, and you can see that economics 5 seats are there, so mathematics 2 seats are there, politics and governance there are 4 seats are there. So we can see that zoology, so there is 2 seats, and then Islamic studies 4 seats, and then integrated MPhil or PhD in biotechnology, so there is 4 seats. So if you are already qualified for UGC NET or else JRF, CSR NET, GATE, you need not to write the examination. If you are having the MPhil exam already given the completed the MPhil also, you need not to apply here. Like you have to just apply and you need not to write the entrance examination. Directly you can go for the personal interview. Through that you will be get admitted into Central University of Kashmir. So if you would like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamped YouTube channel. Thank you.